Mm, let's set this thing up first. Chat, live chat, pop chat out. Uh, okay. Hello, everyone. Thank you so much for being a part of live session once again. Yeah, thank you. Thank you so much. Okay, so what's going on in the market? Let's talk about the insight first. But before we talk about anything, so let's talk about this live stream. So this live stream is just for information and entertainment purposes. And I show you guys my way of trading, how I am trading, and what's my strategy of taking any trade. Moreover, yes, we are making small profits. I just shared one screenshot in my Telegram and my WhatsApp channel as well. I just booked this profit of this trade. This is oil. I just have opened the short position on oil and I just managed to make small amount of profit. Yeah, we are making small profits every day and not millions, not thousands, but yes, good enough and realistic profits every day. So, yeah. So what's going on in the market? Yeah, things are going pretty well for now as expected. The gold and the silver and the oil prices. Well, oil, if we talk about the oil, yeah, uh, sure, it will not go way more up. It's already on the higher side of its price, all-time high. So that's a good time to go short. So just managing few positions. I'll show you the results of my those trades which I took for on oil and managed to make small profits. Not much, but yeah, good enough. So. And if we talk about the BTC, yeah, BTC is just trying to reclaim the 70,000 benchmark once again, which would be good for the crypto market. And overall, the market is in like in green, which is a good sign. Why is it green? We know that the US and Iran have come to us some point. Maybe they will stop the war for specific period of time, and there are like multiple things, geopolitical issues going on all over the world, but still so far so good. And yeah, uh, we are just trying to book our small profits during this session. Well, the war is going on, geopolitical situation is very like weird, and we are just booking small profits. Good enough for us. So yeah, let me just check. Okay, that sounds better. That seems better. Let me just check if we are. Um, okay, so I have live stream on my YouTube as well if anybody wants to join. So we can, you can see that over there as well. Let me just check if it's working well. I hope you guys can hear me very well. Okay, so this is it for the day. And we will try to trade any pair, the pair. We will try to see what is going on, how we can get into any other trade. I'll try to do that, the live trade in front of you guys. Let me just check. Okay, that seems good enough. Okay. um okay, that's bad. Okay, so BDC is just reclaim trying to reclaim the 70,000 mark. It should go way more up, but not done that way as it should have to be. But okay, that's totally fine. We can see, we will do that. We will just try to do a day trade or just to do a little scalping and stay away instead of like keep it for long. Top chat, live chat. Okay. Okay, so yeah. So what's going on? For now, if we talk about BTC, yeah, going good so far. If we talk about oil, is just reclaiming, trying to reclaim The higher price is again going to go up. Let me check. I just booked profit in this candle somewhere on there. I just did short from here. Very quick scalping. Not very quick, but yeah, it took like half an hour to close me that trade. I think more than an hour, 1 hour. I just managed to close that trade. That's good sign. Um, okay. So I will try to get another position. Um, if it goes back up again, like at somewhere around there, 1 1, yeah, 1 1 2 would be very nice. If it goes back there, then I will open the short position again. I will go short on oil. Surely it will, because we have to understand the position of oil. Overall, all over the world, the prices are spiking up. Well, it's never gonna stay over there. Oil prices goes up and it keeps falling down as the things are just going to be settled. So I hope things will settle down very quickly. And what's something is wrong. Uh, Let me just check, guys. Just let me set up one thing on. Okay, so that's bad. Let me just go live on my TikTok once again. Let me just go live. Something is not working well. Um, I don't know what's going on. Let me just do that for you guys. Okay, that's it. That's it. We will claim. Can we use a flare? No. Good connection. Okay, maybe it looks like that screen is very dirty. Sorry guys, I always just forget to clean my screen always. Okay, well, mm, the purpose is served. Uh, Hello. Yeah, I'm good, thank you. How are you? I hope you're also good. So we will go short on oil for sure once again. Um, mm, I think something is wrong with my TikTok. It's not. Yeah, oil is just going to give us another opportunity to go short, and I will take the short position now. You see the market. That's 1 minute time frame. Let's keep make it on 5 minutes time frame. Um, yes. What do you think? Should we go short or wait for another big candle? Uh, for oil, we can do a very quick scalping. Open short from here. Okay, just wait. 50x. Okay. That's oil actually. If XIT, WIT, that's called, but it's listed on this exchange with the name of this. You see, that's the name. XTI. Sorry, XIT, XTI, US oil USDT. So that's the real-time view oil prices. So we can trade on that. Hope for the best. Let's see if we can get that opportunity. Okay, we can set the limit order also in the middle of these candles. So let's try to do a little scalping. Okay, let me set the limit order somewhere in between 1150 would be nice. Okay, so I'm just going to limit an order at 111.50. So that would be my limit order. I'm not using even like 1% of my capital for this trade. So I'm just going short on using like, but I'm using like 50x leverage. So that's my limit order, guys. I have just opened the short position. Yes, it's safe. I have done like multiple times, so it's going very well for me. If you want to, so where are you from? And it totally depends, like in which country you are, and when you buy or sell your USDTs using P2P, try to like just check the seller's profile first. Because on seller's profile, you should decide whether you need to do the trade with that guy or not. Because like there are like some kind of like, you know, you know what I mean. So try to be safe instead of like losing your money. But yeah, P2P trading P2P, that can be a good option. That's the only option for few countries. I must say that. But like in few countries, you can connect your banks with that. Like like that totally depends on where are you from. So yeah, I just messed that. No problem. That's totally achievable. If it gets that price, I will just go short from here. Uh, okay, let's see. Thank you so much for it. If you want to get yourself registered with this exchange, the link is in my bio. So if you click on the link, so you can get yourself registered with this exchange to avail 50% discount trading fee. That's a major thing to understand. Um, uh, that's a very good payback from the exchange to the users who use the referral links. Moreover, you will get 100 USDT upon registration. That would be free voucher to trade for with on futures. So that's another thing. Yeah, sure, sure. Thank you. So that's another thing you will get like within 20, as soon as you get yourself registered, you will get that free voucher. Moreover, um, I think we just missed. I was just planning to take the trade from here. Well, that's 1 minute time frame, so we should not keep an eye on that. So we should just have a look on 5 minutes time frame. Yeah, it's kind of like unclear for now. We should be very careful while taking the trade on just for example, like well, if we want to do the scalping or day trade, whatever we want to trade, like try to trade very wisely because like using the bigger leverage can be very risky on the other end. So yes, that's this trade is just okay. Let's have a look on gold as well. So I just want to trade on gold now as well. So okay, so that's the position of gold. If we see 50, if we have a look like 15 minutes time frame, let's have a look on 1 hour time frame. So it looks like just moving very steadily. So but if we follow the RSI is 64 on 1 hour. If we see 15 minutes time frame, 67, like we're very unclear for now. So we should avoid taking trade on that for now. So that's my opinion. Maybe uh if you're using any other indicators, but I'm just majorly relying on RSI. So that's the best way for that. This indicator is one of the best for day trading, for scalping, whatever you want to do. That's the best indicator for the trades. Hello, ma'am. Welcome. Welcome to the session. Thank you so much joining. Thank you so much for joining. Up and down. No, actually, we are not. We are not doing omni trading for now. So we are just doing regular trades for now. Uh, Walaikum salam. Welcome. Welcome to the session. Welcome. So yes, this is yeah. So are you you might have used your like free coupons, free vouchers, because now there are like very limited pairs of like omni trading, so we should try to avoid trading on that. If anybody wants to keep it continue, then sure you can go ahead. But if we let's have a look on that. As we were just trading on like VDC, like there are like multiple coins we can trade on, but I'm not in the favor of trading Omni for now because we can lose the big amount of money right in a very quick way as well. So Let's leave Omni for now. That's not working very well for us. So yeah, I understand. Yes, you're not. So overall, like you're in profit, or like have you lost your vouchers and the amount you managed to make on top of that? Okay, so are you guys comfortable? I'm speaking in English, or we can speak in Urdu and English at the same time, like simultaneously. We can do that. Okay. On YouTube, do we have some views or not? YouTube is like I have just started like doing a few, okay, getting some views, very small amount of views for now. All right. So what's going on? Okay, so okay, let me show you guys what I have done over the weekend. So this is the result of the trades which I took. Let me show you the order center so we can check. So this is the trade I just took earlier today. Like I think uh, within 30 minutes I managed to close. No, not in 30 minutes, maybe 1 hour. It took 1 hour to close like this trade above like 30% of the profit. Well, that's good enough. Moreover, that was a trade I took, I think yesterday or day before yesterday. I don't remember that. I think on Friday, on oil, I think I went short. I managed to make like the small amount of profit. If in terms of percentage, that's 31%. And for the Sol, actually, I just closed these positions, Sol and Sui. Well, Sui was my position size was actually very big, which is you see the profit is very big, and but the percentage is very small. It was it could have been like very big profit, but okay, that's good enough. 23%. Dodge is also like 25%. So yeah. Uh, this is 70, Soul is 70%. So I managed to make like it went up to like 100%. I think 130%, but I just did not close that position. But then I just later on I just closed that position. So on oil, I just took two positions for now, and that's another position which I took. Yeah, I just closed this position yesterday. This one, Dodge, with 31%. Margin size was big. Why I'm taking the big margins on Dodge and Sui and these kind of pairs? Because I know like these pairs are have very big support at their current prices for now. So that's why I took long positions. See, just long positions. Yeah, we understand like the market is at the verge of like maybe it's not going to BTC will not go below like $60,000 for now. So that's why I'm just taking only long positions for now. So all of my positions goes well. Yeah, few of them are stuck. For example, ENA. So let's not always show you my profit. Let me show you my stuck positions as well. Like two of three of my positions are stuck for now. You see, that's it went like $1,000 negative, but yeah, negative 300%. I just did not close that position because it's already on the lower side. And truth is just like see 81% for now. So these are the trades, and SUSDT is one of them, another trade. So yeah, not always making profits. These are in negative. I'm not closing these positions. You so why I'm not closing these positions? There is no liquidity out there. So that's the reason why I'm not closing these positions. And I hope these coins can give me some good profit. As soon as I will manage to make some profit on top of that, those pairs, I will share the position, the results of those pairs. Yesterday, I managed to make like, I just showed, I think, what about BTC? Yeah, we will talk about BTC. Just give me a short on gold. Yeah, I'm just planning to go short on gold. It can be risky as well. I don't know. See the 1 hour time frame. BTC, let's have a look on BTC first. So we can then decide whether BTC is just struggling to cross 70,000 mark. It went up to there, then it just keep falling down, which is not a good sign. But momentum, if we can call it, like for bullish for like short period of time, for from few hours if we see since yesterday. So yeah, sixth, yeah, seems, yeah, BTC is just trying to reclaim above 70,000 mark. As soon as BTC will cross that mark and geopolitical tension is just reducing, then you will see BTC will go way more up, and it's gonna happen. Yeah, yeah, I have shared the results of those profits in the group as well. So yesterday, sorry, I just missed your message. So this I just booked this profit today, this stock today, and this all of these. Yeah, this one just I just booked this yesterday. The trade was I just took that trade day before yesterday. So yeah, 2 days back. Uh, and this was on first. 326. Second, I just did not close any position. I opened few position and which I just closed one of them yesterday, and one of and four of the positions I just closed today. And this was the fifth position for the day. Actually, if we consider like 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So I managed to book like almost like 1400. Wow, that's good enough. Um, Almost 1500. Okay, 1%. If we consider 1% per day, so yeah, 3 days profit is booked. Yeah, good enough. So if I do not take any trade, that still be very good. But okay, we will take any other position. One other position for now. Let me check if I miss any chat on top chat, live chat on YouTube. Okay. So yes, it's very easily possible if everything goes well. BTC can, if BTC goes above 70, then, and it stays above and day end closes above like 70, then BTC can easily go above like 75, 76K within a week if everything goes well. But you know, there are like few things. So there are a few things like geopolitical tension is there. So I hope everything settles down very cool. But you know, it's never gonna happen. This is world, and there are good and bad news coming around all the time. So which affects the market. So yeah, is this profit? How many percentage? The profit of 15% is right now is like 3% of my capital. So you can calculate. I have compounded up my capital over 15 months. This is 16th month. Yeah, just started. So yeah, growing very well. Uh, Not losing much, making small, but yeah, compounding is the key. One of the only way you can create your wealth is the compounding. If you try to understand what's compounding and you gradually compound your capital, set your profit and losses, then you know you will know how to make like good profit. Okay, so it seems more boring now. What should we do? This is 5 minutes on BTC. Very unclear move. What should we do? What should we do? Okay, I think let's take the trade on oil for now. No, not now. I have just lost that top. Uh, we should go short, not from here. I think the limit order is very, it can be risky as well if price goes up. Let's have a look on 5 minute time frame. This is 5 minute time frame on oil. If the price will go up, then that can be risky as well. Let's have a look on 1 hour. I think no, that's good enough. If it stuck, you see, my that position on oil, it got stuck like for 2 days because the weekend was there, and Friday the market was closed, so that was not. Yeah, I have compounded. If I tell you, you won't believe that how much I started with, then nobody actually understands that. Nobody believes that. But if you follow your discipline, then that's the only way. You can compound your capital, you can make good profits, yes, afford. And one good thing actually you have, first of all, you have to just accept the losses. If you start accepting your losses and not keeping your positions for long and not adding up your more money to compound to avoid your avoid losing your trade, so that's not the way. Accept the loss and stay away for the day. I will lose. David is just writing me the comment. I will lose. I will lose what? I will lose all of my money. Okay, maybe someday. Uh, or for this trade you're talking about, I don't know. So, well, that's the only way. I think so. I'm very unclear for this position now. Let's have a look on gold again, not Dodge. Let's have a look on Dodge as well. So guys, this is Dodge on 15 minutes time frame. We can do a very quick scalping. It's moving the way BDC moving, and we can go short, very quick short. Should we take a chance on? I'm not in favor of going short on crypto pair especially. Um, I really want to go long. Let's leave it for now. We should avoid taking short position. Uh, any other pair? BNB is also up. You know, I try to take only long positions when the market is in the favor. But now XRP, this position was also. See, I just closed that position somewhere around there, I think. Where did I close? 85 somewhere, 86 somewhere around there. Now it's like 0.90 somewhere around there. So it's going way more up. So I think if BTC goes, if today's closing is for the BTC is below 70, then we can accept another retracement from like 67, 66, 500 somewhere around there. So for now, let me check. It will motivate you. Actually, I started with $500 and compounded it over like, and I think I have added like $2,000 later on, $1,000 once and another $1,000. So somehow 2,500 all together. But but when I just added like this money, before that I was in loss of like I think three or three $4,000 in between somewhere on there. I don't exactly remember the amount. Then I recovered my losses, and then I withdrawn my capital, all of my capital. Then I try to make my profit 5% at that time. I was just making 5%. Like I managed to make like for over like 6 months. It's not every day. It's not every day. So most of the time, and sometimes I just do not make any. I did not make any profit for the day. So I think like maybe on average, if we can calculate like somewhere around less than 15 days were in profit, and not a single day in loss for now, for example. Then I lost like seven positions, almost six or seven positions, less than 10 positions over 15 months. Uh, so, which like I accepted the 2% loss of my capital on all those trades. So what I do is actually I try to open, then I just say after 6 months I just decreased my margin size for the position, and which helps me to like increase my liquidity. So that's the only way. If you understand, like, using less margin, surely you will not make big profit, but you will be at least in safe zone. And what I do is nowadays, actually, I try to open position with maximum 1% of my capital, for example, $500. Then what I do is actually I try to, if my position goes wrong, then what I do is, if my position goes negative, like 80%, 70%, somewhere around there, maybe sometimes 100%. So what I do is I do DCA for once with another 1%. For example, $500. Let's assume like we have $1,000. So I try to open position with $10. And if still $10 is in loss, so I do an DCA with another $10. So I will try to dollar cost the average. And most of the time it works very well. I think like 70, 80%, 90% of the time it works very well. But yeah, sometimes you lose that. So what I do is, previously I was doing is, when the BTC was above like 100K, I set up my stop losses at 2% of my capital. So I lost like 6, 7 positions all together. Uh, so that was the best way. Uh, accept the loss and stay away. And good part is, we should know like where to stop. Uh, when we win the position, okay, that means we are making good profit. Okay, uh, let's take another position. Let's take another position. Let's take another position. That's the wrong approach actually for that. So try to book the profit, set your limits, and stay away. That's the only way you can compound up your capital, and you will not lose money for sure. So this is it, and I hope it will work well for you as well. So I have compounded up my capital in a very good way. Nowadays, it's growing very well. Market is like, still, if you see, BTC is just hovering around 65 to 17 between that. So still we are making good profit. So even I have shown you, like, guys, like my positions are still stuck. I have very good hope BTC will just reclaim for sure. These positions will be in profit for sure. I will share you guys. Maybe it will take few days. So yeah, nothing to worry about. For example, this position is like 1% of my capital for now, and this position is like not even like 0.5% of my capital. So um, nothing to worry about. Yeah, you're welcome. No problem. No problem. If you need any help, you guys can just write me in the DM as well. You can join my Telegram, my WhatsApp group as well. So I have shared the link in my of my Telegram and my WhatsApp channel in my bio, so you can join. Uh, and if you need any help, yes, I'm here. You can write me in DM as well, so I can guide you what to do, what not to do. So yeah. So this is Sui actually not in. Yes, I think it's time to take short position on oil. The time is coming. We can, what do you think? Should we take the trade from here? 11071. It can be risky. Limit order is 111.50. Right now the price is 110.79. For very quick scalping, yes, we can take a chance. But it can be risky on the other end as well. So yeah. This is 1 minute, I think so. Okay, so what's going on? This is going up. I hope we can take the down position here. Yes. What do you think? We should take a chance from here. We can grab that opportunity as well. So you guys can write me your opinion for this. We can see the pair. Okay. Actually, waiting is yes, we can wait, but it's quite boring to talk about the things instead of taking the trade. So yeah, but waiting is the best way of making successful trades. It's above 110. We can take a chance from here, but I don't know. It's complicated. This seems like okay. This section, section. Okay, it can be like I don't know. One good thing actually, yes, we can take the trade from here as well. But guys, if you want to take the trade with me, just do your own research. It's like it's a volatile market. Yes, we can make some good profit, but yes, on the other end, we can lose some money as well. So it's a very volatile market. Okay, guys, I'm going short. Okay, maybe we can wait until, but it's these small candles are the sign. RSI is in still favor, not in favor. Yes, I think we can wait from here. Uh, I think we should go short from here. That's my opinion. Maybe I'm wrong. Okay. What I did is I tried to just open position with very small percentage of the capital. So not even like 0.3%. So this is the margin I'm using for this position, very small. So I will try to see if the price goes up, then we will do DCA to increase the position size. My margin, if I manage to make like with $500, that would be 1%. So yeah, so I just grabbed that opportunity. Even let's remove this position. Let's remove this order. We can set the DCA to okay, limit order at 112. Yeah, okay. We can limit the order at 112 with another same amount of. So yeah, that's my limit order for DCA. If price goes to that mark, then it will do DCA, and my average price would be somewhere around between 111.50, somewhere around there. So that's how I'm doing right now. So when you are unclear for the position, what you can do is you can just quickly uh, uh, you can take the position very quickly with very small percentage, like for example, like point few percentage of your capital. So that's you can do. That's one thing you can do to at least get into the trade. If it goes well, for example, it's going down for short, for example, this is short position. So we can still like book some good profit as well. Not much, but yeah, still in green. So that would be nice. Okay. So the position is live for now. Okay. So this is live. Let's see another pair if we can get a chance to get any other pair for now. Is YouTube live? Yes, we are live on YouTube as well. Okay. Okay. Okay, so this position is live. Let's go for see. This is 1 minute time frame. Let's keep falling down. I don't know. We should go short from here or Ethereum, XRP, gold. Should we go long or short? I don't know. Okay. For a very quick trade, what do you think? We can set the limit order at 4665. Okay, I'm going to limit an order on gold 4665 with very small percentage of the capital and going long. Okay, so this is my position size. I have just opened another position on gold. We'll try to do a quick scalping. We'll try to close the position very quickly if we would be able to do that. So these positions are live for now. So both positions are in one of the position I just got already, and the other one, let's talk ENA. Yeah, this pair is just getting a good retracement. My position on this trade, this pair is already live, which is like stuck from here. You see from the higher side, it's getting a good pullback. That's what we need. Uh, but if we do a little back test, we can see that it can be risky as well. So either we should book our loss or we can keep it continue. I don't know. It's quite unclear for now for this move. For if we do a back test, if BTC gains a good reclaim, then maybe we will be able to make small profit. You see, my TP is very, very small for this pair. Even my loss is big if I book it over there, but I will not book it from here. So for now, I think I just booked this position very on the top side. Yeah, that's 1 minute time frame. So okay, this is now in positive. How much is the percentage? 12%. Yeah, that position is live, guys. You guys can see. If anybody wants to take this trade, please do your own research for that. Then please, yes, if you want to take the trade, please invest the money you can afford to do. It's a very volatile market. Even nowadays, especially for gold, for oil, for silver, for these kind of like commodities and the pairs, these are like kind of on the like risk side for now. So yeah, the truth is also I have just gave the signal for truth. Truth you we can take for long. Okay, yeah, it's going to go hit my DCA price, maybe, maybe not. Let's see if we can get that DCA price. So still position is live, and that will still be like one less than 1%. So that's the best way. Okay, so this is live, guys. Okay, can we? Okay, I think we should just set it over there, maybe. Little slow. Okay, I think that's nice. So this is 1 minute time frame. Actually, after taking the trade, I try to like put the timer on 1 minute. Actually, that seems more interactive instead of like waiting for big candles to be closed. So yeah. Okay. So this position is already live. Let's see how much we can manage to make. So it's kind of like boring somehow. When you take the trade, you feel like, okay, what to do next. So we have nothing to do next. So I think we should wait. Okay. Yes. That seems. If we see 1 day time frame, for example, if we see 1 day time frame, the RSI is 63. That's not nice. It shows maybe the price can go way more up. It's not on overbought status for now. If we see on which is like 63, above 70, we can consider okay, it's on overbought situation. For 1 hour, if we see it's 59, like 60. On 15 minutes, it's like 60. RSA is in not in favor. On 5 minutes, yeah, it's above 70. So for quick scalping, you should take the trade, go short, for example. It should be above like 80 on any time frame, whatever you want to trade. So that's kind of safe zone for taking the trade. So well, that's my opinion. You guys can understand. You guys can just do a little bit research on that, so you will get to know okay how it works. Above 80 or 85, that's the safe zone to go short, and below 20, 20, 15, 10, somewhere around there, you can take long position. Like most of your positions will go well for sure, but you need to decide whether the market is going to go up or going down. So you need to just decide whether where to take the position. So yeah, for the new users, if you want to get yourself registered with this exchange, there's a link. A link is in my bio, so you can just click on the link to join this exchange, and you will get 100 USDT voucher, which you can play with the free voucher to trade on futures, and the profit on top of that you can withdraw in your account. So you can perform one futures trade with that voucher, and yes, later on you can withdraw that profit in your account as well. So that's a good part for that voucher. Moreover, 50% discount on your trading fee as well. So I have seen like most people are like uh concerned about the funding fee and the trading fee as well. So yeah, this exchange is giving you like 50% cash back very next day in your spot wallet. So whenever you trade, you make some profits, you paid some fee, so exchange gives you back 50% of your fee which they have charged in your spot wallet. So that's a good part for this exchange. And I think these kind of exchanges, for new exchanges like this, is not new, not much new. uh, okay, so this is not uh, this is not much newer exchange. It's an old exchange, but yeah, still like they're giving very good benefits to its users, for its users. So I really want you guys to avail those free vouchers plus uh, trading fee as well. So it's a good part for this exchange as well. So yeah, that's the thing. And good retracement for oil. Um, Hope for the best. Let's see how much far it can go. Then we will. Our DC price is very right. I think so. I hope so. If there is not a big bump over there, so we can be in a big trouble. Well, that's a part of it. Okay. Guys, just wait a minute. I'm just coming back. So yes, thank you. I'm back. Okay, so the thing is actually for this trade, yeah. If we see 1 day time frame, so it's kind of like very easily understandable. So you see, it's like kind of it's all-time high price, near its all-time high price. So yeah, that's the price you guys try to understand. Yeah, geopolitical issues are there, but still we can take a chance to go short from here. That would be a very nice option to go short from here. Well, the position is live for now. Let's see. Let's wait. Okay. So, um, yes, hope for the best. Let's see if we can manage to make some profit on this trade as well. So this position is just on the way to do DCA, and our other position, what is that position? Gold long. Did I miss that position? How is that possible? Did that exchange did not took that position, right? 4 6. My limit order was there. 1 2 3 4. What is it? Did I miss that position? Yeah, I think so. That might be very good fair value gap over there. But now, how is it possible? You see, if we see 5 minutes time frame, yeah, my position was there actually. It just did not fill the order. I don't know what's going on. Limit the order, open order, or maybe I have just set the limit order late. XTI short, bonk, silver. I don't know. I might have missed that position, or maybe I just no, that's not possible. Okay, let's see if we can grab that opportunity, if we can get that position. It seems kind of like boring, but you guys can write me in the comment section of your opinion about these trades as well, about these positions. Or yeah, it seems like it's going to get my position. My limit order is, oh, it's not taking the position. What's wrong? Should I cancel the limit order? Okay. I cancel the limit order and I try to grab the position with the market order. Let's see. Walaikum salam, brother. Welcome, sir. Welcome to the session. Sir, so long. Alhamdulillah, I'm good. How are you? Um, kind of like getting. Yep. Okay. Yes, bro. Over the weekend, it feels like, yeah. Uh, okay. So both of the positions are live. Yes, you're right. Without you, like, session feels like very, very, very dull. So thank you for being all in, brother. So you're also not trading much more for now. So you already have mentioned. not on Omni as well. Okay, so we have like very few of our friends who used to like come online and trade. And have you seen, like, I have just shared the screenshot of my trades in Telegram and my WhatsApp group as well. Okay, so you're trading on this this exchange, right? No, you told me about like other exchange, but yeah, you're trading a little bit on this exchange as well. Yes. Yeah, so we went very well. Even like all of the exchanges, if in terms of like trades, in terms of like a percentage, all of the trades go well. Let me show you. So this was a trade actually I took like I think 1 hour back almost from now, maybe 1 hour 30 minutes from now. So 30% on short like XTI. Even still one position is again I just took during the live. So these were the positions. Even oil, this position actually I should have not closed it very early, but yeah, okay, that's good enough. 31%, 70%, 23%, 25%. Yeah, good profits. This one was 30% in terms of percent if we talk about the percentage. So yeah. So this is the DCA price for oil goes short. Have you took any other position which I just gave signal for truth as well? It seems to be like near to break even for now. It's moving very steadily, but once the truth will move up, it can give you very good profit. Just one big wicks and the big volume comes up, so you will see big profits. So यार उर्दू में भी हम बात कर सकते हैं वैसे काफ़ी सारे लोग हैं जो हमारे दोस्त भाई देख रहे हैं Okay, bro. Okay, so yeah. Okay, so this trade is going to do DCA from the top of these candles. Maybe that would be 112.00. Yeah, that seems more promising instead of like, okay, gold position is okay. Let's set the TP at gold. So for very quick TP, for example, if I set TP somewhere around there, so that would be like, okay, $56 maybe. How much percentage? It would be 17%. Okay, above 15% is good profit on on any trade. So that, okay, so that's my TP 4686. My position is 4667. So maybe we can go. Yeah, it seems more. Okay, let's see if we can manage to make some good profit on that. Okay, so oil position is live. Let's see. Okay, so YouTube is also going well. We are gaining some good moves. Okay. Yes, again and again, again and again. Not because I just got notification from TikTok. My visibility is restricted for a few minutes. I don't know. Maybe because of the trading thing, or maybe we speak about something like in terms of dollars, something like that. So that's why my visibility is restricted. Okay. That's a part of it. So yes, we can. We have like 5, 6 follower viewers for now. Not much. Yes, actually, I just got notification as soon as I just came live. I just got uh, that notification from TikTok that your visibility कर दी उन्होंने भाई ब्लॉक क्या करते हैं कुछ देर के लिए कोई बात नहीं साढ़ा की जाता है ये नहीं उनको समझ मेरे ख्याल उर्दू में करेंगे तो शायद टिकटॉक वालों को समझना है कि हम क्या बोल रहे हैं क्या ख्याल है तो हो सकता है फिर लोगों को समझ भी ना आ रही हो लोग ज़्यादा देर रुके हैं सुने कि भाई क्या कहना चाह रहा है उससे भी विजिबिलिटी बढ़ सकती है मलिक असद भाई इज राइजिंग स्टार फॉर अवर लाइफ थैंक यू मलिक साहब थैंक यू ओके आई होप yes and everything is fair in love and war and this is trading okay it's like the same thing hope for the best okay असल में एक और मसला भी है पाकिस्तान में आई जस्ट केम टू नो लाइक टिकटॉक लाइव नहीं चलता अलाउ ही नहीं है हर मुल्क के हिसाब से वो लिमिटेशन है कुछ रिस्ट्रिक्शन है तो ये मुझे कुछ दिन पहले ही पता चला और यूट्यूब चलता है तो मैंने यूट्यूब पे वो कर दिया है उसको यूट्यूब पे शॉर्ट फॉर्म पे चलाया शॉर्ट नहीं एक्चुअली वर्टिकल चलाया तो उससे काफ़ी लोगों तक पहुंच रही है व्यूज़ भी और दैट्स वेल दैट्स गुड इनफ अगर सही लोगों तक पहुंच जाए और लोग कुछ करना चाहें यार आप कुछ कर रहे हैं मसूद भाई कुछ अभी तो बोल के आपके कल ही बात हो रही थी तो अभी आप कह रहे हैं कि आप नहीं कर रहे हैं कॉपी ट्रेडिंग करना चाह रहे हैं यार मुझे डर लग रहा है पता नहीं क्यों चले कोई बात नहीं ये बड़ा मेरा पता नहीं अल्लाह की तरफ से कोई सही फार्मूला होता है तो पकड़ी जाती है ट्रेड और दूसरी चीज़ ये देखें ना गुड थिंग इज़ एक्चुअली हम उसको डीसीए कर लेते हैं तो व्हेन वी डू डीसीए तो वो वी कैन गेट दैट पोजीशन वेरी क्विकली तो डीसीए इज़ वन ऑफ द बेस्ट थिंग ब्रो और जस्ट एक दफ़ा करना है क्योंकि पोजीशन साइज इंक्रीज हो जाता है और आपकी फिर वो लिक्विडिटी भी उतनी ही करीब आ जाती है तो वो जो है डालें यार कुछ थोड़े बहुत फंड्स डाल के करें ट्रेडिंग आप तो बिल्कुल छोड़ के बैठे हुए हैं फिलहाल हेलो क्रिस वेलकम वेलकम सर नहीं भाई किधर अच्छा है अच्छा होता तो वो कॉपी वाला जाता मुझे तो बुरा लग रहा है So how are you doing, bro? Chris, I hope you're good. You are late. I have been like more than an hour from now. अच्छा जी भाई अभी बन जाए मिलियनर FMFGUG गेम्स तो मैं भी बन जब बन जाऊंगा तो फिर देख लेंगे अभी नहीं बना तो yeah doing good so good book that position again. You see, I just shared in the Telegram and the WhatsApp channel as well. So yeah, which one was that? Yeah, that was a position. I just closed that position and I took short again on oil. नहीं ओमनी नहीं भाई वो ओमनी ना असल में अभी उन्होंने फिलहाल ना एक्सचेंज की तरफ से वो बीटीसी की लेवरेज खत्म हुई है तो आई डोंट रियली तो अभी होप फॉर द बेस्ट अगर वो जल्दी स्टार्ट हो जाती तो वी कैन डू दैट लेटर ऑन जी जी भाई ठीक है नहीं भूलते दुआ करें और साथ साथ आप भी करें आप भी ट्रेडिंग करें मिल के बनते हैं दोनों भाई एक्चुअली यूट्यूब पे भी कुछ मैसेजेस आ रहे हैं तो उस पर भी रिस्पॉन्ड करवा रहे Yeah, I hope so. But if that comes to end, but the price should go down. That's the thing it should have to be. And what I'm waiting for the right time. Maybe uh, it should go down. It's already on the all-time high. So, well, that's why I'm taking only short positions. Yeah, sometimes we manage to make some good, but yeah, sometimes So we are not doing scalping on that kind of, like, we are day trading on oil and gold and silver. So that's the best thing for this. I must say that going short is the only best option on oil. So gold, oil is never gonna stay above like that level. So all over the world, that would be very bad for the economies. So just very basic thing to understand. So I think so, yeah. So this is my DCA limit order, and that's my entry price for the position. Let's see. I just took long on gold for the scalping actually, but it's still just hovering around to break even. I don't know why I just took long, but yeah, you see, just long position on gold for very quick. I just took the position in this candle somewhere around like 5 6 minutes back, 10 minutes back, and my TP is 4686. Just almost like 17% of that move. Uh, if it's gonna happen, the Strait of Hormuz thing, so yeah, that means the oil prices will just keep falling down very drastically. So that's the thing actually we need to understand. That's why going short can be a good option. Going long can be very dangerous for that. But that would be good thing for BDC and stuff and the crypto thing. So okay, so DCA is done for this. Okay. So my entry is 111.55. Okay. Yes, it will pump crypto for sure if things will be settled down very quickly. Oil prices will just drastically keep falling down. Gold and silver maybe like will not react that bad. But crypto will for sure go way more up. It can be like it's correlated with that. So we understand the people will try to do trading and stuff and invest the money so I think that's the thing. So what's the position size for now? 288 is the position size. Still not 1%. Okay. ऑयल का भी टीपी वही लगाया नहीं, वही लगा लेते हैं. क्या लगता है यहाँ पे लगा लेंगे क्या? हाँ, क्या हो रहा है? TP for this position, it can be this 110. That sounds, maybe it will take a little bit more time, but yeah, it seems promising. I hope so. That seems nice. I hope so. Try to open position with the smaller margins for oil. For example, if you want to trade on oil, so try to open position with small margins. Why is that so? Because maybe anything bad happens. So if gold price fuel oil prices goes up, so you can do DCA later on. So don't try to trade on with using the bigger capitals. So try to understand, like, you should have a big backup to support your liquidity, especially for going short. So try to use with very small percentage of the capital. So I really want you guys to understand this. Yeah. Gold and silver, you can go long. Even for silver, let me check for silver as well. Sweet silver. You see that silver. Silver is again in kind of like buying zone for now. We can assume that if anybody wants to take a chance for a day trade or like scalping, so yeah, it's in the buying zone. I'm not going long because my position is already open for silver from like 675 somewhere around there, 76. So this position, uh silver and gold is in a buying zone to go long, I can just tell my opinion. So that's my opinion, guys. So try to, if you want to take the trade, do your research as well for that. So don't follow what I say. You can do your own research as well. So yeah, it's in a buying zone, even for the quick scalping as well. If anybody wants to take a chance, that's why I took long on gold. Where is it? 466. Yeah, it's just going down for now, but in a very good buying zone. I will do DCA for gold if price comes down below where to- somewhere around 4600. So yeah, I will do DCA at this price. Only for long. Only for long. 46. That would be very quick to do DC actually. Okay. So this position is if you want to my position is already stuck. I told you already. वो काफी दिनों से ली हुई है पोजीशन 76 से, वो भी फंसी हुई है। मैं उसको नहीं छेड़ना चाह रहा। वो फिर वो पोजीशन साइज ऑलरेडी बहुत बड़ा है, तो मेरे ख्याल $3000 की ट्रेड है टोटल। तो मैं उस पर रिस्क नहीं लेना चाह रहा। अगर आप करना चाहें तो, अगर मैंने वो पोजीशन ना ली होती तो मैं भी लॉन्ग कर लेता, अगर मैं करना चाहता। आपने करनी है तो आपकी मर्जी है। मैं आपको मशवरा दे सकता हूँ कि आप देख लें, क्विक ट्रेड ले सकते हैं उसमें, मगर छोटे मार्जिन से लीजिएगा। बड़ा मार्जिन ना यूज़ करें, लाइक यूज़ स्मॉलर मार्जिन फॉर दैट। और लेवरेज भी कोशिश करें 20x तक ही रखें मैक्सिमम, ज़्यादा ना लें। अगर कोई और ट्रेड नहीं खुली हुई तो, अगर कोई और ट्रेड खुली हुई तो देन ट्राई टू अवॉइड टेकिंग एनी अदर ट्रेड। So that's the thing. I think we should be very careful while trading. So oil short is live. Let's see. TP seems very achievable. I hope we can achieve that TP. Okay, what do we have here? Yes, this is 1 minute time frame on. Okay, well, let's have a look on BTC again. Okay, BTC is just fighting for its life above 70. So, um, yeah, hope so. Okay, okay, okay. Okay, if you want to go long on silver, just do your own research first. I'm just telling you. So yeah, if you want to take a chance. So that seems, even on gold, if we see, I just took long position on gold. So yeah, gold and silver, like I correlated with each other. So we can understand. But right now, if you see the trend, that trend seems to go down. But for quick scalping, you can set your stop loss above your break even as well. So if it goes up, so for silver, actually, you can set TP. For example, if we took your position now, what should be your TP? 73 and above, you can set any TP anywhere. Some for quick scalping, I think for quick scalping, yeah, 72 7290 would be very nice for very quickly if you want to close that trade very quickly. But if you can wait, Let me check for 5 minutes time frame. For 5 minutes time frame, 73. Yeah, I think 70 to 90 would be very nice. Or for the very quick, 70 to 50 can also be an option. Yes, that's the only thing you need to understand how to protect your capital. God forbid if your trade goes wrong, so you can do DCA again with 2% of your capital. So that's uh how you can guys, I think you guys, let me just write one message to my group. Okay, so I just sent one. People are just sorry. Let me just okay. Okay. So yeah, if you took the position with the 2%, yeah, so that's a good part. Just try to take the position with the percentage, just like I did for this position, and for now you see I did DC at 112. Just in this candle, in just one candle, my DCA is done and my price just came to that. Good thing is I can close half of this position for now. For example, my margin size is for this position is actually 288. That's okay, not much big. I can do DC later on if price goes above like 113. So I will keep this position open for now. So that's my TP, which is like 110. So just $2 difference can be a good option, not even to $1.45. If the price moves to that, uh, okay, so let me just, sorry guys, just, I'm getting notifications. I have just really want to settings. How can I do that? Notifications, volume. Oh, I'm not sure. Okay, off. Okay, so you guys can join my Telegram and or WhatsApp channel as well. So we have very few followers for now, and they're increasing day by day. So yeah, yes, people are just fighting. Don't watch. No, actually not fighting. They're just having conversation. Okay, so yeah, that's the good part for the conversation. We have a group on Telegram, so you can communicate with each member as well. So that's a good part. Just try to respect the privacy of anyone. So be respectable to anyone, so you get some good respect in return. So and as well as just have a very easy conversation to just make friends. That's good, and try to okay, okay, something is not going right in the group. So if we can talk them. Okay, so this position, for example, let's talk about this position for now. You see, that's 1 hour time frame, and that's my TB. What do you think for this? It seems like the price can go way more up. but we can. Right now, it's on my break even. In my opinion, I think we can wait. We should wait actually. Uh, we can do DCA later on if we would be needing that, but actually, I think it will not go to that. Yeah, sure. We can wait for this position. And for the gold, let's see, the gold price is just on the way as well. So yeah. So try to understand. I am telling you guys actually the way of protecting your capital and keep your liquidity far from your liquidation. So how is that possible? So I encourage you guys to use the percentage of your capital, not instead of like using like $10, $20, $50. So try to use the percentage of the capital, and later on if you want to do DCA, then you can do that, but try to use with the very less percentage, and try to use the safe margins, safe leverages from the market. So that's the way actually you can be very safe and play very safely and make some good profits as well, not just. And one best formula for that, just book your losses as well, not just making your profits. So we are lucky nowadays. The BTC is at very good price, so we are just making small profits every day. So that's a good part for the market for now. If BTC will go below 60, then that would be the time to take very harsh decision maybe, if my positions goes wrong. So try to close your positions every day, and for long period of time, if you want to do like not, if you don't want to do scalping and you want to like trade for like long period of time, so yeah, then that's your decision. You should have some good backup to support your liquidity. That's the best advice I can give you. Okay, so both positions are in green. I love that green color. uh this position, but most of the time it goes red. So, but most of my positions are in green, so that's a good part. Okay, so yes, let's see if this price, how much percentage that would be. It's 11%. Above 50%, I will close that position. If it goes above 50%, 50%, then I will close that position manually as well. So yeah. Yeah. Hope for the best, bro. I hope you can make some good profit and save money for for your marriage as well. So, okay. So this position is also coming to break even. That's a good part for this pair. Oh, that was nice pump. Okay. My pre entry is 88, somewhere around there. Yeah, I understand. I was just kidding for you with you. Actually, you need to just you when you get married, you will get to know, okay, let's not lose even a single dollar. So you will be needing after your marriage. So yeah. So okay. Yeah. So every money from where you can get, you will try to save and keep it in your pocket to use it later on. All right, guys, for now, this position, yes, yes, it is. It is. How much money you will earn, that will still be like less for your use. So make as much as possible. Okay, okay. I think these both positions are live. I think we should not trade any more pair for now. Let's not take any trade, another trade. Let me have a look. XRP. Sweet. So how's your trade going on? I hope you are in a very good shape for now. I think you took the trade somewhere on the bottom of these candles. 7 to below 30. That would be 72.30 would be good buying range if you took that position. Okay. So guys, I hope you are okay for the new users who really Soban Sandhu brother. Brother, I'm using this exchange. Sorry, I just missed your message. This exchange, L Bank. I'm using this exchange. Sorry, this is the name. If you want to register yourself, you can use my referral to avail extra benefits. But if you register by yourself, you will not get any benefit. But yeah, it's a good exchange to use. So using my referral, so you have to click on the link. I'm trading on like oil and gold, both of futures trading. So I'm telling you about the getting yourself registered with the exchange. So you can the benefits of registering is you could be first of all you will get 100 USDT free voucher. The referral actually, when you click on my bio on TikTok, for example, or on YouTube, so there is a link in my bio. So when you click on the link to register yourself, so you will get 100 USDT free voucher next day, which with which actually you can perform only one future trade with the 10x leverage. Moreover, the good part is that the major part is actually the exchange is giving you 50% trading fee discount. That's a good part actually, because we guys like the people who knows future, they are trading much, so they're giving very good amount of fee on all of the exchange. So this exchange gives you 50% discount if you use my referral. So you will pay the full amount and it will return your amount next day when you close your position. So next day you will get 50% in your spot wallet as well. So it's a very good thing actually. Even I'm getting very good amount of money back always. Mm. Oh, let's leave the voucher, bro. That was the you're talking about the Omni or upon registration. You might have get that voucher, but you might have not used it, I think. Even I don't remember now. I think no, yeah, you did not get that one. Oh yes. But most of the users just got. Yeah, I think so. I think so, yes. Okay, just leave it actually. That's not much not much money to make with that voucher. Maybe you can make like one, two, three, $5 maximum, maybe. So these positions are open for now, oil and gold. Gold is long and oil is short. So these two positions, yeah. So that's oil for short position. I did my entry price is 111.55 and right now the price is 11 and the leverage I'm using on oil is 50x and I suggest you guys if anybody wants to take a chance on taking these trades to use less leverages, and for gold I'm using 40x. uh Not now. Okay, you can set the limit order on silver if you want to take a chance, but I can suggest you, that's my opinion. You can do your own research. If your trade goes wrong, so please don't talk bad about me. I can just suggest you can set the limit order at some around 72.25. So, for example, if it comes to that price, I hope it will come to, but one of our friend has already long position. You can set the limit order at 72.25 for long, but try to use less percentage of your capital, like for example, 2-3% max. Yeah. So if you want to take a chance, just set the limit order. So yeah, and use smaller margins instead of like using the bigger. Uh, Moreover, like the leverage you will use, I'm using like 40x, but try to use like 20x max on gold or silver, something like that. So yeah, that would be nice. So your liquidity at least should be very far from here. That's the best part. Moreover, this uh trade when this trade will go above 50% positive, I will close this trade manually as well, or maybe if it hits my TP, that would be like 60-70% somewhere around there. SL actually you don't need SL on silver. TP you can set somewhere around 73. Exactly 72.90 is achievable. 72.90, 73 above you can set TP. That totally depends upon you. If your trade goes above 20%, TP you want to set, you can just drag, do a little bit back test on that so you can get to know. Sir, welcome Aditya bhai, welcome brother, welcome. Long time no see. So, sir, I have just opened long position on gold. I should have considered with you, but I just took long position on gold. Trying to just do very quick scalping actually. Uh, ऐसे ही है। You are right. ऐसे ही है। हाँ मैंने भाई वो ट्रेड ले ली है, पर मैंने पूछा नहीं, मैं मुझे पूछना चाहिए था। गोल्ड किंग इज हेयर, सो आई शुड हैव आस्क हिम। यस, सो आई थिंक सो। ऑयल ऑयल की ट्रेड्स ले रहा हूँ, दो तीन ट्रेड्स लिए हैं। इट्स गोइंग वेरी वेल, बट यूजिंग लाइक हाउ मच एक्स, 50x लेवरेज। लेवरेज इज बिग बट मेकिंग गुड प्रॉफिट्स। आपको ट्रांजैक्शन हिस्ट्री दिखाता हूँ। अभी ये एक ट्रेड ली थी कुछ देर पहले, तो ये 30% इस पे बनाया, ज़्यादा नहीं बनाया। नहीं भाई, जाने दे। ओके। और ये दूसरी भी मैंने कॉयल की ली थी, ये एक्चुअली परसों ली थी, लाइक नहीं परसों भी, परसों से भी एक दिन पहले तरसों ली थी, तो ये फिर उसको मैंने आज क्लोज़ किया। आज, हाँ आज सुबह क्लोज़ किया दोपहर को, तो 31%। और सोल की, और अच्छी जो पोजीशन थी वो सुई की थी एक्चुअली। मार्जिन साइज बिग था उसमें, बट 23% प्रॉफिट था एक्चुअली। सुई बड़ी अच्छी प्राइस पे था, तो मैंने बड़ा मार्जिन यूज़ किया, लाइक आई यूज लाइक ऑलमोस्ट लाइक 6-7%, 8% ऑफ माई कैपिटल, विच शुड नॉट बी, आई शुड प्ले वेरी सेफली, बट एक्चुअली मैंने उस पर रिस्क लिया और अच्छा प्रॉफिट बना। सो डॉज भी ठीक रहा। सो ये पांच छह पोजीशंस लिए हैं अभी। ये अभी ऑयल की पोजीशन एक लाइव है, कितने परसेंट पॉजिटिव में आ गई है ये पोजीशन, लेट्स सी। यस, 25% पॉजिटिव में आ गई, $72 बन रहे हैं। लुक्स नाइस। नो 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 ब्रो, नो नो। 200x लेवरेज, भाई डर लगता है मुझे तो। 50x से ऊपर, 50x की भी सिर्फ ले रहा हूँ, सिल्वर या गोल्ड की, और या इस ऑयल की भाई। क्रिप्टो पेयर्स पे तो 20 से ऊपर जाना ही नहीं भाई, कसम खाई हुई है। नो, डोंट टेक रिस्क, वेरी डेंजरस, वेरी डेंजरस, वेरी हार्मफुल। तो यस एक्चुअली, गोल्ड, ऑयल शॉर्ट किया जा सकता है। अभी नहीं, ऑयल की शॉर्ट की लिमिट ऑर्डर लगा सकते हैं। 500x, मेरा ख्याल है वो गोल्ड की इसमें वो लिमिट ही नहीं है हमारे पास इतनी। इतने एक्स लेवरेज लेने की, ठहरे देखता हूँ कितनी है। लेट मी चेक। ओ है, हाँ 500x की है। ओए नहीं भाई, नहीं भाई मैंने देखा ही नहीं। नहीं भाई, बिग लेवरेज मींस सब सब कुछ गया एक झटके में। मुझे भाई डर लगता है, बड़ी मुश्किल से बनाए हैं। खत्म ना हो जाए। नहीं यार आदि भाई, यू वांट मी टू टेक लाइक 500x लेवरेज ऑन गोल्ड, गो लॉन्ग, व्हाट डू यू सजेस्ट? अभी वैसे पोजीशन लाइव है, चलें चलने देते हैं। मुझे यही लग रहा है भाई चाहते हैं कि मेरे पैसे सारे ज़ाया हो जाए। आई रियली डोंट। मैंने भाई घिसियाँ लगा लगा के बनाए हैं वैसे तो। आई रियली डोंट वांट टू लूज दिस। अभी वो एक ना, यूट्यूब पे भी किसी ने कमेंट किया, यू विल लूज एवरीथिंग, आई सेड ओके भाई ठीक है। यार एक किसी ने इनवाइट भेजा है, पता नहीं। ओए ये क्या हो गया? और ये क्या हो गया भाई? ये क्या था? अच्छा, वो गलती से क्लिक हो गया को होस्ट का, पता नहीं कौन आ गई थी मैडम। ओके एनीवेज, तो ये भाई पोजीशनें भी चल रही हैं, देखें क्या बनता है। होपफुली वी कैन बुक सम गुड प्रॉफिट। एक्चुअली मैं ऑयल को चाह रहा हूँ कि 50%। पता नहीं भाई, मुझे तो आज तक किसी लड़की ने लिफ्ट नहीं करवाई, कोई पता नहीं। मैंने एक लड़की से पूछा, मैं कहा मुझे लिफ्ट क्यों नहीं करवाती, कहती है, हमें लगता है आप शादीशुदा है। शादी से पहले की बात है। मैंने कहा भाई अभी तो बच्चा हूँ मैं। तो ग्लासेस लगाता था मैं। तो वो बड़ा ना, वो पढ़ा लिखा और वो लगता था पढ़े लिखे हैं तो नहीं हम, सिर्फ एमबीए किया हुआ है। मगर वो उसको लगता था कि मैं एक एम ऐसी रैंडम लड़की से जॉब करते थे, तो मैंने पूछा, कहती मुझे लगता है कि, तो वो उसने मुझसे पूछा कि मैंने मैंने पूछा मैं कि मुझे लड़कियां दिखती क्यों नहीं है। कहती दिखती हैं, लड़कियों को लगता है मैरिड है। मैंने कहा अच्छा, बड़ी गल की थी है। टेंड तो भाई अब वो ये है। पहले तो भाई के बाल होते थे, जुल्फें होती थी, क्या जुल्फें थी मेरी भाई। आई हैड वेरी लाइक वेरी ब्यूटीफुल, वेरी नॉट ब्यूटीफुल बट बड़े, मेरा वो सेंटर से वो स्टाइल होता था। आई वाज लाइक हीरो ऑफ माय चाइल्ड कजन्स। अब वो सारे बड़े हो गए तो कहते हैं यार हम आपको हम ही फॉलो करते थे, तो वेल। ओके सो update for the BDC. Today's closing will decide whether BDC will go above, like if today's closing is above 70,000, then BDC will go above 60, 76, 75 would be the next stop. If it will stay below 69, then maybe it will take like 2 3 more days to go to stay above 70. So हाँ भाई, गजब बेइज्जती थी वो, बिल्कुल। तो मुझे वो तेरे नाम, यस, आई जस्ट, क्या याद करवा दिया आपने, ओए क्या याद करवा दिया। तेरे नाम, वो भी एक स्टाइल होता था। वो मेरा एक्चुअली हेयर स्टाइल उस तरह का था। मगर वो तेरे नाम में तो बिल्कुल ही तेल लगा के उसने लटकाए हुए थे बाल, मेरे जरा थोड़े से अच्छे बाल थे। ओके खैर, एनीवेज। दैट वाज रियली फन। क्या अच्छा दौर था वैसे। गुजर ही गया सारा दौर, पता नहीं चला। खैर। जी जी भाई, श्योर श्योर, थैंक यू आदि भाई, थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग द सेशन। मैं भी बस थोड़ी देर में क्लोज करूंगा सेशन। होपफुली मैं भी ज्वाइन करूंगा आपका सेशन, देखते हैं आपकी ट्रेड कहाँ तक जाती है। 500x की लगानी है ट्रेड आपने। आपने मुझे मशवरा दिया ना, तो आई विल सी यू। ओके, थैंक यू फॉर ज्वाइनिंग द सेशन। थैंक यू मकसूद भाई, थैंक यू। बड़े दिनों बाद नजर आए आप। ओके, तो वो अभी ये ट्रेड, आई होप, क्या लगता है कि ये टीपी हिट करेगी। टीपी वैसे एक्चुअली फार फ्रॉम हेयर, आई थिंक वी शुड वेट। ओके 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 ओके, सॉरी भाई। अच्छा अच्छा, काम करें, काम है तो सब कुछ है। यार भाई आप ना, आप भाई किंग हैं। आप गोल्ड की प्राइसेस को कंट्रोल करते हैं वर्ल्ड वाइड। हम बड़े बंदे हैं, हमने ट्रेड लगाई तो हमारी, आपको पता है ना। चलें, ठीक है। आपका सेशन ज्वाइन करता हूँ मैं, आपका सेशन में देखते हैं। आप लॉट्स यूज़ करते हैं आप बेसिकली, ठीक है। ओके, हम भाई सादे सादे फ्यूचर्स करने वाले हैं। तो सी यू इन योर सेशन, श्योर। जी जी, ठीक है। नाइस टू टॉक विद यू ब्रो। मोर ओवर आज यूट्यूब पे भी वही व्यूज़ तो आ रहे हैं, पर एवरेज नहीं अच्छी बन रही। आई डोंट नो, मेरा ख्याल है कि कुछ लोग देख रहे हैं और कुछ नहीं देख रहे। कितने व्यूज़ हैं? ओह 63, कभी भी नहीं आए। व्यूज़ आर इंक्रीजिंग। ये देखें, गंजा हो गया हूँ यार, बाल निकल गए हैं सारे। चलो कोई बात नहीं, लगवा लेंगे। ओके। नहीं नहीं भाई, ये मेरे ये रियल यूएसडीटीज हैं। मैंने ये बनाए हैं भाई 15 महीने लगा के। कोई डेमो नहीं है। असल में कंपाउंडिंग की है मैंने ओवर लाइक 15 मंथ्स फ्रॉम नाउ, तो बड़ा टाइम लगा है पैसे को इंक्रीज करने में। डेली का कैपिटल गेन किया मैंने। नॉट एग्जैक्टली हर 30 दिनों में, हर 30 दिन नहीं, पर ऑन एवरेज 12 15 दिन बनते हैं। और कंपाउंड किया मैंने कैपिटल को, एंड थैंक यू सर, थैंक यू। और it took like almost more than 15 months from now, so I have compounded up my capital and it's going very well. बस आप भाइयों की दुआ चाहिए, सबकी दुआ चाहिए। और मैं चाहता हूँ, असल में मैं मेरे लाइव सेशंस का मैं मकसद ये है कि मैं लोगों को अवेयरनेस दूँ कि भाई ट्रेडिंग करें कैसे। मैं आपको चार्ट्स नहीं बताऊँगा, लाइन्स नहीं बताऊँगा कि यहाँ से ऊपर जाएगा, यहाँ से नीचे जाएगा, ये होगा, वो होगा, ये पैटर्न बन रहा है। नो, आई विल नॉट टेल यू गाइस एवरीथिंग लाइक दिस। मैं आपको सिर्फ ये बताऊँगा कि ट्रेडिंग करनी कैसे है। मैंने ये सीखा है 2 साल लॉस में रहने के बाद। फिर तीसरा साल मैंने इतना प्रॉफ़िट किया कि मैंने अपने सारे लॉसेस रिकवर किए, अपना कैपिटल विथड्रॉ किया। अब मैं इतने अच्छे कैपिटल में हूँ और मैं अपने इसी कैपिटल को चला रहा हूँ और कंपाउंड कर रहा हूँ। इसको मिलियन डॉलर तक लेके जाना है। अभी मेरा मिलियन डॉलर खैर नहीं हुआ, तो बन जाएगा, होपफुली बन सकता है, क्यों नहीं बन सकता? कोई भी बना सकता है। अगर सिर्फ़ अपनी डिसिप्लिन बना लें, को उसको फ़ॉलो करें, दैट्स इट बस। कोई और साइंस नहीं, कोई रॉकेट साइंस नहीं है। एनीबॉडी कैन डू दैट। फिर उसके बाद बेनिफिट्स हैं, फ़ायदे हैं, कौन-सी एक्सचेंज यूज़ करनी है, क्या करना है, क्या करना है, क्या नहीं करना है। जी भाई, इंशाल्लाह बनेंगे, बनेंगे, बनाएँगे। आपके सामने ये जो मेरा अकाउंट है ना, ये मैंने जब स्टार्ट, अब खैर अमाउंट वो फिर बताने पे वही वाली बात है कि क्यों क्यों बताऊँ? लोग कहेंगे शौक़ मार रहा है। तो स्टार्ट बड़े छोटी अमाउंट से किया था और फिर अब उसको कंपाउंड किया है। भाई एल बैंक, दैट्स एल बैंक एक्सचेंज, यू सी द नेम, हियर इट इज़। इफ़ यू वांट टू रजिस्टर योरसेल्फ यू कैन यूज़ माय रेफरल लिंक एज़ वेल। उसमें ये होगा कि आपको यू यू कैन गेट 50% ट्रेडिंग फी डिस्काउंट एज़ वेल। सो वो आपको मिलता रहेगा, वो व्हेनेवर यू ट्रेड ऑन योर फ्यूचर्स, वो नेक्स्ट डे आपके फ्यूचर्स में सॉरी स्पॉट वॉलेट में यूएसडीटी आपको वापस एक्सचेंज दे देती है। ये बड़ी अच्छी चीज़ है एक्चुअली, फॉर स्पेशली फॉर दिस एक्सचेंज। और मैंने किसी एक्सचेंज के साथ ऐसा नहीं देखा, कभी भी नहीं हुआ। मैं इनका वी असल में वीआईपी यूज़र भी हूँ। तो उन्होंने कहा कि आप चलें, आपका रेफरल भी आप यूज़ करके और लोगों को भी इनकरेज करें। ठीक है, एक्सचेंज को भी बिजनेस मिल रहा है और यूज़र्स भी आ रहे हैं। प्लस ये कि आपको यूज़र्स को भी बेनिफिट है अगर रेफरल यूज़ करते हैं। तो अच्छी चीज़ है, गुड। अगर आप रजिस्टर करना चाहें तो यू कैन डू दैट। जी जी। सो यस सर, थैंक यू मसूद भाई। ना करें यार, ना करें, बहुत ज़्यादा वो ऐसा लगता है कि बहुत ज़्यादा हवा में उठा रहे हैं मुझे। नहीं भाई, बस यार सादा से बंदे हैं हम, कोशिश करते हैं लोगों को अच्छी तरह से अच्छा सा गाइड कर दें बेसिकली। और कोई अ, आपके पास नॉलेज है ना, वो बाँटने से बढ़ता है। मैंने ये चीज़ सीखी है और मेरे 5-6 दोस्त जो हैं लॉस में थे, 2 को रिकवर कर लिए, 2 के लॉसेस हमने रिकवर कर लिए हैं। 3 के रहते हैं, 3 के भी रहते हैं, वो कोशिश करें उनके भी लॉसेस रिकवर हो जाएँ, फिर वो कैपिटल विथड्रॉ करें, मगर काफ़ी सारों के लॉसेस रिकवरी की तरफ जा रहे हैं। तो मैं असल में बात ये है कि आप सिर्फ डिसिप्लिन बना लें और उसको फॉलो करें। डिसिप्लिन क्या बनाना है, मेरा डिसिप्लिन क्या है, मैं नहीं, नहीं भाई, मैं ये लिखना नहीं चाह रहा था। डिसिप्लिन क्या है, मेरा डिसिप्लिन मैं आपको दोबारा रिपीट कर देता हूँ, कुछ और व्यूअर्स भी हैं, वो भी सुन लें। आई ट्राई टू ट्रेड विद लाइक 1% ऑफ माई कैपिटल फॉर नाउ। जब छोटा कैपिटल था तो 5%, 10% की भी ट्रेड लेता होता था और उसको कंपाउंड नहीं करता था। उसको उसको क्या करता था, डीसीए नहीं करता होता था शुरू में। तो देन व्हाट आई डिड इज एक्चुअली, ठीक है, मुझे देख लें, ओके। सो फिर ओवर द टाइम मैं उसको 5% पे लेके आया। फिर उसको ओवर द टाइम जब कैपिटल बढ़ता जा रहा था, जब पहला $5,000 इंक्रीज हुआ ना, तो फिर मैंने उसको 3% पे ले आया, फिर उसको 2% पे ले आया। 2% का मतलब ये कि 2% ऑफ द कैपिटल से मैं ट्रेड खोलता था, एक ट्रेड। कैन वी सी दैट ट्रेड? 80 के की तो भाई कोई भी नहीं थी ट्रेड। अच्छा, तो वो वही वो ट्रेनिंग, वो बात फिर वो वाली बात है, फिर दूसरी चीज़ आई थी, फिर चार्ट्स हैं, फिर भाई आरएसआई है, फिर वो इंडिकेटर्स हैं, वो आप क्या-क्या यूज़ करने हैं भाई, सिर्फ डिसिप्लिन बना लें, आपको किसी भी चीज़ की ज़रूरत नहीं है। या ओके, सो यू वांट टू आस्क अबाउट दिस, और यू वांट टू सी माय ट्रांजैक्शन हिस्ट्री, दिस वन? Sorry, I don't understand what you're talking about. So I just managed to make like small profits. This even see this profit I just booked on Sui, but my ट्रुथ को क्या हुआ भाई? कोई अच्छी खबर बताना। You see it went like भाई नीचे तो नहीं चला गया? मैं अभी देखना भी नहीं चाह रहा उसको। ठहरें देखते हैं। मेरी पोजीशन फंसी हुई है ट्रूथ पे। Oh, this is what I was just talking about. This is the thing I was just talking about कि आपको जो है ना, जब ट्रेडिंग करनी है ना, तो ट्रूथ फॉर एग्जांपल, अब स्टॉप लॉस, अभी वैसे ट्रूथ पे हमें स्टॉप लॉस की ज़रूरत नहीं है। बाइंग जोन में है अभी भी बाइंग जोन में है। लेट्स सी। इवन ये मेरी पोजीशन नहीं, इतना भी ज़्यादा डिप नहीं है, कोई इतनी बड़ी बात नहीं है ब्रो। मैं का पता नहीं क्या हो गया। गुड बाइंग जोन में है। डीसी किसी ने करना है तो कर ले। ये देखें वन, लेट मी टॉक, टेल यू 1 डे टाइम फ्रेम। यू सी मेरी पोजीशन देखें, भी नेगेटिव में है, कोई बात नहीं, इट्स ओके। साइड या ओके ओके। ब्रो एक्चुअली आप, आपके पास 4000 यूएसडीटी है, तो देखें, आप देखें, ट्रेड करें, आप कंपाउंड करें अपने कैपिटल को। 5-4 हज़ार को आप कब 40 हज़ार में कर लेंगे, आपको पता भी नहीं चलेगा। मैंने 1 साल में कर लिया तकरीबन, इससे ज़्यादा। सो कंपाउंड कंपाउंड करें तो मे दिस इज़ द ओनली वे ऑफ अर्निंग। और मैं थाईलैंड में रहता हूँ, मेरे पास गाड़ी भी है, घर भी है, सब कुछ है। तो ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड लाइक you can earn very good money, you can make some good profits out of it। तो ट्रूथ की भाई कोई मसला नहीं है, कोई बात नहीं है। थोड़ी सी डिप है, मुझे लगा पता नहीं क्या हुआ। नथिंग टू वरी, करना चाहिए। मेरी पोजीशन फंसी हुई है, वरना मैं कर लेता। अगर आप करना चाहते हैं तो कर लें। गुड बाइंग जोन, आई मस्ट से। बट अपनी रिसर्च करके भाई, नीचे गिर गया तो फिर आपने मुझे कहना यार आपने कहा था, मैंने नहीं आप ऐसे कहते नहीं है। कंपाउंडिंग का मतलब एतजाज भाई एक्चुअली लाइक अपने कैपिटल आपने निकालना नहीं है ज़्यादा, मींस अपने डेली का प्रॉफिट ऐड करना है। और दैट्स कॉल्ड कंपाउंडिंग, बेसिक थिंग एक्चुअली। रोज़ के प्रॉफिट ऐड करी जाएँ। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल सबसे पहले क्या करें, देखें बेसिक फार्मूला है। आपने जितना कैपिटल डाला है, कोशिश करें उसको डबल कर लें और अपना कैपिटल निकाल लें। जैसे आपका कैपिटल डबल हो जाए, या चलें 50% ऊपर हुआ, 50% पहले निकाल लिया, फिर 50% दोबारा गेन करके 50 अपना सबसे पहले अपना अपना कैपिटल अपने अकाउंट बैंक में डलवा लेना है, जो अपने पैसे डालें एक्सचेंज में। सबसे पहला फार्मूला ये है। ये मैंने किया है। मेरा तो खैर लॉस था, 2 साल का लॉस था। मैंने पहले लॉसेस को रिकवर किया और निकालता रहा मैं साथ साथ। फिर मेरा जब कैपिटल इंक्रीज हुआ, मैंने अपना कैपिटल जो डाला हुआ था वो सारा निकाला। मैंने टोटल 2500 डाला था। मतलब पहले 500 डाला, फिर 1000 डाला बाद में, फिर मेरा 1 महीने बाद 1000 डालना पड़ा मुझे, वो लिक्विडिटी बढ़ाने के लिए करना पड़ा। वो मेरा 25 ऐसा डला कि वो अब मेरे पास अच्छा खासा, लाइक 2500 इट वाज जस्ट लाइक हाउ मच, लाइक 5% नाउ। सो कंपाउंड की, फिर मैंने कंपाउंड किया, ओके देन आई जस्ट कंपाउंडेड अप माय कैपिटल एवरी डे। रोज़ गेन लेना उसके ऊपर, प्रॉफिट के ऊपर रोज़ गेन, कुछ विड्रॉ कर लेने, कुछ थोड़ा बहुत रखना। मैंने इसको कैपिटल का कंपाउंड किया और सेट कर लिया, ओके आई जस्ट वांट टू मेक 1% ऑफ माय कैपिटल एवरी डे फॉर नाउ। सो वो मैंने और वो भी महीने में 15-20 15-16 दिन होता था। ओवर ट्रेडिंग नहीं करनी है, हर दिन नहीं करना। यू डोंट वांट टू डू ट्रेडिंग एवरी डे, प्लीज़ डोंट डू दैट। ओवर ट्रेडिंग भी आपको जो है ना वो ले जाती है। तो सायरन को देखते हैं, श्योर। सो दैट्स द थिंग एक्चुअली, यू कैन जस्ट डू ट्रेडिंग एंड मेक सम गुड प्रॉफिट्स। सायरन इज एक्चुअली वो मुझे पता है, वो हमने उस दिन भी ट्रेड ली थी, काफ़ी अच्छे पैसे बन गए थे इसमें। Sarin USDT, we can check on that. Research की ज़रूरत ही नहीं, you don't need to do research on that. Oh wow, just keep falling down. Okay, not much big dip for now. You see one, ये बड़ा बहुत very, it's a very high volatile coin. If anybody wants to trade on that, trade very 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 carefully. ये इसमें बहुत बड़ी बड़ी spikes हैं, ये देखें ना, big pumps and dumps हैं। ये see dump and pump again. So kind of like a risky pay. I just managed to make like I think $300 in just one trade, like 2 minutes in live session. So you're asking like Khashoggi. Actually, how should I pronounce your name? Actually, what is that word? It's tricky. Maybe I'm not that. So let me tell you. रिसर्च करने की कोई ज़रूरत नहीं, बहुत ज़्यादा कोई साइंस नहीं है। मैं फॉर सेलेक्ट वही फील्ड्स जिन पे मैं ट्रेड करता हूँ, And what I do is actually show you my favorite coins. So these are my favorites. I have set my favorite. So top 10-20 पेयर्स उठाएं और वो पेयर ट्रेड करें आज के दौर में अभी के टाइम के हिसाब से बता रहा हूँ सिर्फ लॉन्ग की पोजीशंस हैं जो कि अच्छी हैं मसूद भाई क्या आपका उसका होप हो जाना चाहिए तो ओके सो व्हाट आई विल फॉर एग्जांपल एंड लेट मी ओपन चार्ट चार्ट ओपन किया है अब इस पे वन डे टाइम फ्रेम है इसको set on one and see where it is right now. If like on the grounds, going can be very easy. यार अभी तो आगे जाएगा, 0 पे मिलेगा. See, with a candle is a 1 day candle. So it came to that, it's like from like few days, it's a big time to go long. और मैंने सिर्फ long is मेरी जो positive हुई most सारी. तो try to work out. This is where you can select now. जब volatile हो रही है ऊपर जाइए bull run चल रहा है, उसमें you have to just take the trade very quick decision in and out and say. So or day trading is the best way to make money. Otherwise, if you want to play for a long time, that's your decision. It can give you some good profit as well, but it can so it's not always making money. So yes, you can lose it as well. So that's the thing actually. चला ये प्रॉफिट में आया था अभी भी प्रॉफिट में है $60 में आया तो 21%. It was at 1060. 3x is really like 3x is very well. If you, for example, that depends. For example, let me show you this. You see, gold. I've just long put gold and price 4600 670. For sorry, 4600 67 for now, and there is no liquidity price showing. Why is it not? Because it's if gold goes to zero. For example, if gold goes to zero, my position will not still get liquidated. Why? Because I have a very big capital support. So my position says it's just 347. That's like 1% of my capital. So what I'm talking about. If you have bigger capital, or if you don't have the bigger capital, less money from the capital to one position. So very big, like 9% back before you're supporting the liquidity for long positions. For short position, you see, I have just opened short position on oil. You see, that's oil. I have opened short and it's $111 for now, and my liquidity is $416, which is never gonna be happen like in my life for sure. So 416 short position शो करता है लिक्विडिटी क्योंकि वो अपर प्राइस को बता रहा है लॉन्ग पोजीशन करें और अगर आपको लिक्विडिटी शो नहीं करे दैट आपके पास बहुत अच्छा बैकअप पड़ा हुआ है सपोर्ट करने के लिए फॉर एग्जांपल और छोटे से स्टार्ट करते हैं अगर आपके पास एक $100 है फॉर एग्जांपल आप पोजीशन $5 से खोलें और आप 15x मैक्सिमम लगाएं और एक पोजीशन खोलें एट टाइम बस एक से ज़्यादा पोजीशन नहीं तो फिर आप उसमें प्रॉफिट बना रहे हो उसको फिर कंपाउंड कर तो आप अपना कैपिटल इंक्रीज करें और सबसे पहले अपना कैपिटल विड्रॉ कर लें अपने अकाउंट में सो दैट्स द बेस्ट वे आप अच्छा प्रॉफिट बना सकते हैं एंड या दैट्स इट 3x इज वेरी स्मॉल लेवरेज लाइक 3x तो कुछ प्रॉफिट भी नहीं देगा आपको लाइक बहुत स्मॉल अमाउंट ऑफ प्रॉफिट होगा एटलीस्ट लाइक 15x leverage. So 10x is good, safe. 15x is okay. 20x can be like risky, but yeah, if you're using less margin, so yeah, that would be nice on that leverage. It was pushing right now, I just keep it open because going back, that's not nice. It was in good profit. I was expecting that price to go hit my TP, but it's not okay. That's part of it. We can wait and see. Okay, I shared these two positions results and my later on, just like I always do in my Telegram and WhatsApp chatting session is good. Actually, I just got a little restriction from TikTok for the day, which is not giving me. So you guys have any question? You guys can just write me in the comment section as well. So did you entry is 100 and liquid is 400 right count. Oh no, it's not like that actually. Yeah, the price is 4x and 4x means कि अगर तो सारा दुनिया में वो कुछ बहुत बड़ा हो जाए और ऑयल की शॉर्टेज हो जाए और सब ऑयल पे चल रहा है इलेक्ट्रिक गाड़ियाँ भी ख़त्म हो गई हैं और जनाब सिर्फ ऑयल ही है हमने ऑयल ही खाना है ऑयल ही पीना है ऑयल से ही ज़िंदगी गुजारनी है तो 400 पे जा सकता है वो भी नहीं जाएगा फिर भी नहीं जाएगा तो सो ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड इसको नहीं देखना आपने ये आपकी ये लिक्विडिटी प्राइस है लिक्विडिटी प्राइस का मतलब ये है कि अगर मेरी शॉर्ट की पोजीशन इस प्राइस तक चली गई तो मेरे ये सारे पैसे ज़ीरो हो जाएंगे तो दैट्स लिक्विडिटी आई होप यू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट अगर नहीं समझ आई तो यू कैन आस्क मी अगेन सो अगर ये 4x इज पे इसकी प्राइस 4x हो जाती है तो फिर मैं लिक्विडेट हो जाऊंगा मेरी ये पोजीशन ख़त्म हो जाएगी ज़ीरो हो जाएंगे पैसे मेरे सारे ये सिर्फ ये नहीं 288 नहीं मेरे सारे पैसे क्योंकि मैंने क्रॉस की ट्रेड लगाई है क्रॉस का मतलब ये है कि मेरे पास जितने पैसे पड़े हुए हैं uh, the money I have in my futures wallet, that all will be gone. So, so you have no, that would be nice or not. What's your entry price? And what is your leverage? Like how much X you're using? 20x, 30x, 50x, what X you're using? Actually, I just suggested one of our friend to take long position from here, and he just took that position. Like it's 100 with, so you're using $100 with 20x leverage. 72.25 is your entry price. So actually, it just did not came to that price. Did you get your position? आपकी position live हो गई है या अभी सिर्फ आपकी open order है? अगर आपका ओपन ऑर्डर है तो फिर उसमें मैं आपको गाइड कर देता हूँ और टीपी भी आपने साथ ही लगा लिया तो ठीक है, दैट्स सेफ। ओके ओके, मतलब अभी वो आपका आपकी यहाँ पे वो आपको यहाँ पे शो हो रहा होगा ना, यहाँ पे आपके ओपन ऑर्डर में शो हो रहा होगा, जैसे ये यहाँ पे ओपन ऑर्डर है, सॉरी लाइट है, ये देखिए यहाँ पे ओपन ऑर्डर में शो हो रहा होगा, वो पोजीशन में नहीं आया होगा, ये देखें पोजीशन है ना, जैसे ये है यहाँ पे 7 पोजीशन है, अभी आपका ओपन ऑर्डर में शो हो रहा होगा, इज इट राइट? Yeah, okay, that's fine. Your limit order from you have just set the limit order at 872 point 25. Yeah, that's good, but that's my suggestion actually. It's risky, it's like अगर ये नीचे जाता है तो so like I have one more question, like how much margin you have used, like percentage of the margin, like for example आपने $100 use किए हैं trade open करने के लिए with 20x leverage, so how much backup do you have good backup? For example, how much is the 1% like $100 for your trade? So you can write me, I can just guide you, okay, that's safe or not. Okay. Okay, so that means you are using 25% of your capital. I am using 1% of my capital. So आप $100 में से $25 यूज़ करते हैं, मैं $1 यूज़ कर रहा हूँ। So थोड़ा सा रिस्की होता है, but okay, that's fine. For silver that's okay. आप कोशिश करेंगे उसको like 52 is far from here, okay. 52 तक तो शायद सिल्वर ना जाए, बट गॉड फॉरबिड अगर वो नीचे चला गया ना, तो आपने आप एक अगर आप अभी आप उस ऑर्डर को कैंसिल करें, आप उसको कोशिश करें $50 का ओपन करें एंड कीप फॉर another like 350 for your liquidity. So yeah, no, it's not less, it's good. The money you have, it's very good. बहुत सारे लोगों के पास नहीं होते इतने पैसे, तो it's good for your start if you want to start. And you're using L-Bank exchange or you're using any other exchange? What exchange you're using right now? That position seems to go well. I hope so. You're welcome. Still आप ये करें कि आप $50 यूज़ करें पोजीशन खोलने के लिए. ओके ओके, दैट्स फाइन. आप इस पे भी एल बैंक पे भी रजिस्टर कर लें, सो यू कैन यूज़ माय रेफरल लिंक एज वेल. सो उसमें आपको ट्रेडिंग फ़ी पे डिस्काउंट मिल जाएगा. वो आपको एक अच्छा बेनिफिट हो जाएगा. अच्छा, उसमें आप ये $50 से ट्रेड ओपन कर लें, दैट स्टिल वुड बी लाइक समहाउ 20% ऑफ योर कैपिटल. 400 है तो या नॉट 20, या ओके, दैट्स गुड इनफ. तो आप $50 से ट्रेड ओपन करें और लिमिट ऑर्डर लगा दें और दुआ करें. आई होप. यस श्योर इंशाल्लाह. Okay. So still you can join my Telegram and my WhatsApp group as well. The link is in my bio. And for the Telegram groups, you can communicate with me as well. Actually, if you join the channel, so you can there is a group as well, so you can join the group. So there you can just yeah, I'm just going live every day, every weekdays mostly, and sometimes on weekends if I get the markets at the good move. So I just take very few of the times. Mostly on the weekends at the same time, weekdays at the same time, just like around 9 p.m. in between 9 to 10 p.m. Bangkok time, UTC +7. So you can calculate what UTC you are in. So if you're in Pakistan, that would be UTC 6, I think. 5, 5, yeah, UTC 5. So yes. That's the thing, and you can join my Telegram and my WhatsApp channel as well. Moreover, if you have any question, you guys can just write me in DM as well, so we can connect with each other as well. So yes, if you need any help, you can ask me anytime. So I think that's good enough for the day. I hope to see you guys soon, tomorrow at the same time, hopefully with the good profit and the results. I will just close this trade now and I will share this screenshot in my group as well, Telegram and my WhatsApp channel as well. So if you are not, जी भाई वो असल में वो रिस्ट्रिक्शन लगी ना मसूद भाई, तो उसकी वजह से थोड़ा सा मसला हो गया. तो कोई बात नहीं, चलें. होप फॉर द बेस्ट. लेट्स सी यू गाइस टुमारो इंशाल्लाह. कल मिलते हैं और थोड़ा सा स्ट्रेटजी भी चेंज करते हैं लाइव आने की, उससे भी शायद फ़र्क पड़े कोई. सो सी यू. ओके, बाय बाय, अल्लाह हाफिज़.